Good morning, friends. Not like that. Good morning, friends. We're at Lachung and I'm literally freezing. I've got my camera gear and all up, but soon I'll be gloved and I don't know how I'll operate those. The view is very beautiful around here. I'll be giving you a brief tour through my lens and you will see. See? These are snow-capped peaks. Such deep blue sky all over the place. Cool stuff. Wanna see a cool stuff? This isn't cool. You see, the sun is coming up behind that peak, and you can see the moon as well in the sky. So how do you equate the two? Can sun and moon be together? And those two are not even at 180 degree with earth in between. See? Earth can't be in between when there is the sun and there is the moon. So where is the earth's shadow? So what's the shadow that's covering 2/3 of the moon? Go and Google flat earth and you will find the answer. We are visiting to 0 point. That's our first destination for day 4. So we got a photo stop on our way to 0 point. But this place is crazy like hell. It's so beautiful. You know what's the height of this place? It's no less. High enough, right? What we got to eat is jalebi. This spot is pure dope, man. 12,800. Look at the view. We are finally here at the 0 point. It seems there's a big traffic jam and we need to walk. Long distance. Zero point. See, those are the areas of permafrost. Oh, now the vehicles have left us and finally we'll be walking to 0 point. Many of us are breathless. Thankfully I am not. Hopefully by the time I reach I am still having some breath. cloud is covering the whole place. These are the rhododendrons. Mid-season, the whole place will be blooming, yellow and red. Yes, we need to cross. That's Fremont Fort. But I don't have any waterproof shoes on. God bless me. Effect of altitude has stepped in. My mother-in-law is a bit short of breath, so she will be waiting here for we will be going to the ice padlock. Nevertheless, the feeling is great. So finally, at the 0 point, you see, lying in bed of ice, hands are numb, and I don't know whether the audio is coming or not. We should feel that our backs are killing us. And this girl is expressionless because she is like me, totally. Anyway, need to catch some breath so that we can walk back. If we don't get back, this video will go viral if found. So now back to car, and soon we'll take off. So we are at Yumthang Valley. It has started raining. Normally the place looks great and filled with flowers during a sunny weather. But you know, trust me, monsoon has its own beauty. We will get down the river and try to get some good shots. Let's walk. There's the giant rolling ball. Can you see there? They've gotten people there and rolling, getting paid to vomit. Lol. Wicked. Here's the yak. Good looking. Time to get back. Whew. Tiring stuff. We have stopped at a crazy spot. It's on the way to Katao, which is near the Chinese border. But just look, and the white flags and the snow-capped mountains and the deep blue sky. Oof. Pure bliss. We are at the most dope spot named Katao, and this is the Milky Waterfall. I don't know you can hear me or not because of the crazy sound of the waterfalls. Just look here. Now we are done for day 4 and we will be heading straight back to hotel at Lachung. So we have completed our lunch and we are now heading straight to Lachung. This is the Lachung river and we have got a 1-minute stop. Light is quite low, so I am not using my DSLR. Somehow I find my phone is doing a better job with 1.7 lens and optical image stabilization. So too loud. Anyway, we are done.